and I'll see you next time. Stream complete. Well done. But before you shut everything down, there's a few final touches that will help take your stream to the next level. Let's discuss. This is DIY in 5. Hey everyone, my name's Trisha Hirschberger and you are watching DIY in 5, the show where we aim to make tech simple enough that you can feel comfortable doing it yourself, all in a video that's 5 minutes or less. Our last couple episodes have been all about live streaming tips, and today we bring it home. Once you've said goodbye to your viewers, extra credit if you tease next time you'd be live and other places they can follow you online, there are still a few more things you can do to help your stream really sing, so let's dive in. And no, I will not literally be singing today. First, you'll want to finalize the details of your stream if the platform allows it. Coming up with a catchy title, adjusting keywords to optimize for search, and putting together an attention-grabbing thumbnail can help for viewers who may be searching your content after the live stream has ended. It will also help with the next step, sharing your streams on other platforms. If you stream to Twitch, you may want to archive that stream on YouTube to reach a new audience. If you did an awesome Instagram live cooking something, maybe you'll want to share a photo of the final dish on Twitter or Threads, pointing people to your stream as in case you missed it. The more you experiment on different platforms, the wider audience you will reach. Another way to make your live streams go beyond the actual live performance is to create short clips or highlight cuts and share those to other platforms. TikTok is an incredible tool for discoverability, and many successful streamers have shared clips there pointing back to their original live stream with great success. Watch what other creators that you admire do and see if any of their strategies might work well for you as well. If the platform you streamed on allows you to respond to comments after the live stream has ended, this is a great way to keep the conversation going and keeping your audience engaged until the next stream. Speaking of your next stream, if you haven't already, decide when your next stream will be so that you can update your viewers accordingly. Try to be consistent so folks know when to tune back in. Finally, check your analytics and make small adjustments to your strategy for next time. Depending which platform you are streaming to, you may see viewership numbers, your audience engagement, how they found your stream, and much, much more. While this data can feel overwhelming at first, this informational gold is invaluable to finding areas of your stream that can be improved, and sometimes small changes can make a big difference. If you are a new streamer and some of these tips helped you, feel free to like and subscribe and share with a friend. I adore streaming. Live is my favorite format, hands down, and I hope you find as much joy in it as I do. If you're a new streamer, feel free to let us know in the comments so that we can drop by and cheer you on sometime. That's all for this week's DIY in 5. See you soon, everyone.